Well, so to some extent, I think when we look at innovation, innovation comes both from within and outside. So Informatica, we pride ourselves not only on the work that we do internally in terms of our R&D organization, looking into how we can better enable people, for example, to get a handle over big data. But at the same time, we have also looked outside, and we have acquired strategically companies that have helped us really grow the portfolio of meaningful adjacent parts that help us tell the complete story. Now, when we talk about governance, interestingly, it's not just internal, but when we look at our customers, right, some of the things that they've been talking to us about is data governance, right? So we've been talking a lot about IT governance.
Good point.
But data governance is a huge issue. And for example, I know we've been talking to the FAA and their aeronautical information management group. In the context of data governance, people are really trying to appreciate and beginning to appreciate the importance of making sure that we have a common vocabulary, that everybody understands when you say something, what does that one thing mean across the board, across different divisions, departments, and so on. The other aspect of this is with outsourcing, with offshoring, with more and more agencies being interconnected, there is this very complex question of how do you secure, who has rights to see what, who has rights to change what, how do you manage all of this information, how do you encrypt appropriately, how do you mask appropriately so people can work with realistic data without having to actually be exposed to something that might be sensitive. And that's an area where we are making a lot of investments that I think is absolutely mission critical.
Right.